Welcome to the Hamsey Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Tuesday, July 31st, 2012. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline differential closed at negative 518. Nasdaq advanced decline differential closed at negative 462. There were 23 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and 2 new 52-week lows for the S&P 500. For the volatility, the total contract traded on the VIX today was 165,000, with 26 million in total premiums paid. For the dollar-weighted put-call ratio in August, we saw a 0.47 with 33% of the total premiums paid, which is bearish. On September, we saw a 0.2 with 9% of the total premiums paid, again bearish. And on October, we saw a 0.61 with 13% of the total premiums paid, a more neutral reading, at same as November, with 0.65 with 22% of the total premiums paid, a neutral reading. Here we have the daily chart for SPX. We have a down day today, 6 handles lower today, or almost 0.5%, and we also broke this trend line to the downside. Also important to take into consideration, we're still on the positive 1, positive 2 sigma channel, which is good. Some variation from that channel here. For targets, this week is going to be news driven. We have tomorrow FOMC and Friday non-farm payrolls. The targets we have here are the 1360 level on the downside and 1400 on the upside. Those are going to be critical levels to hold either to the upside or to the downside. If we do break this 0 sigma to the downside, we're looking to 1343 level, and if we do break this 1400 to the upside, we might be looking for the highs of the year. So it's gonna be news driven. We have to wait what happens tomorrow with FOMC and Friday with non-farm payrolls. If we look at the ES action, we're gonna look at what happened today at the close, which was interesting. We could see here that the market was basically doing nothing today, going up, down, no much of a trend today. And then here at the close, the market just sold off pretty hard, and then the futures kept on selling even harder, closing at the lows of the day, which was not pretty good action on the market. But as I mentioned, it's gonna be news driven tomorrow. We have ADP and FOMC tomorrow, so that's gonna be what's gonna drive the market tomorrow. If we look at GLD on the daily chart, we're gonna look at SPY first on the daily chart to get some targets. Again, we're looking for 136 on the downside for SPY and 140 on the upside for SPY. This will make that we continue to see higher highs on this trend that we're looking at, higher highs. And the next one would be around here, which is 140 or the 136. We needed to hold here 0.6, and then we're looking for 133 level, which were the lows around here, and the negative 2 sigma. That's for SPY on the daily chart. If we are looking for GLD, we could see here it had a down day today, 0.5% lower for the day, still on the positive 1, positive 2 sigma. We're still waiting for a break above 158 and then 159.70, almost 160, to break this range to the upside. And we do want to break this 3 sigma here to the upside. Tomorrow is going to be critical on gold. We have to see what the FOMC says and what is the reaction here on GLD. But the targets, again, 160 on GLD, 154.50 on the downside for GLD, also on the daily chart. We have a special offer by TradeStation. Get your Hamsey Analytics proprietary indicators paid by TradeStation. Contact Active Traders office in Chicago, Peter Albino, at the number listed below. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.